Talia has the hiccups. And she gives the camera a weird look of, why are we doing this, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.